Good day, my people, you all are welcome. Today's news is very sweet and awesome. This news is here to make you believe that Igbanke people are Igbos and not Benin. I want you to watch this video that was made by this cattle from Benin. Then when he's done talking, I continue from there. Listen.
One of them came out yesterday and started shouting and ranting that the Igbanke enogie were formerly addressed as Obis and Ezes. There has never been one single written document or evidence to show that this enogie were actually addressed as Obis and Ezes as they claim.
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that cripple from Benin said. He said that there is no single document. He said no single document, no document in history of humanity that shows that Igbanke kings were previously known as Obi and Eze. He said that they have been known as enogie since the origin of Igbanke people. I am here to show you a document which is a proof that Igbanke kings are previously known as Obi and Eze. Look at this document here. This document was written in year 1934. Look at it. Just look at the document. Look. You are seeing the datings, everything that they wrote there. That was when Igbanke were under Abo district in the past during the colonial era. Now, in that document, it was written as the district office, Abo district, Abo, 27th October 1934. You are seeing it, right? 27th October 1934. That time, so many Benin chiefs are not even in existence then. They never even born their Oba that time. This is their present Oba. They never born at that time. And he is here claiming that he owns Igbanke people. And under the letter, the final statement in that letter wrote, Osunde, the Obi of Olige. Listen attentively. Osunde, the Obi of Olige, district head, the Olige clan area. Is this document not a proof that the kings of Igbanke are previously known as Obi and not enogie? This is why I said that many of these Benin people don't have sense. They just come online and barking like pitbull, barking like chihuahua, barking like bush dog, saying rubbish. Igbanke people have settled before the Oba of Benin came from Ile-Ife. Igbanke community is as old as 11th century. That is 1100s, which is 1,000 years ago. And Benin is just 900 years old. Every Benin people that are saying that Igbanke kings are known as enogie since the history of Igbanke, shame on all of you. Each and every Benin person that says that Igbanke kings are known as enogie since their history. Whoa! Shame on all of you. This is to show that all of you are expansionists, thieves. You they claim Igbanke people wey don occupy that land before you Yoruba people came from Ile-Ife. There is no written document. There is no proof that show that Igbanke people are known as Obi. Look at it here. Look at it. Look at it. It is written as Obi of Olige. Obi of Olige. Obi. Not enogie. This is to tell you that enogie title was adopted. It's not indigenous there. Igbanke historians have made so many videos showing that they adopted enogie title, not knowing that the Oba of Benin have an agenda to claim all of them. Now, documents don't expose now. So those of you that are saying go to court, that day the other Benin boy was saying trash, go to court, we will go to court and defeat Igbanke people in court. Now, what do you want to concerning this document now? If you want people go court, bring out this document, show una, waiting on one talk. This is evidence. See that Benin boy, Ozwai, they talk rubbish online. Now, look at what this Benin person said. He said that una they talk anyhow, not be una fault. Now our Oba will let una settle for him land because of his generous. The whole of Edo State is owned and controlled by the Oba civilization. Is because of all this nonsense. I'm not saying many of these Benin people na mumu. Some people are far more older than Benin people. The first king in Esaland dates back to 11th century. That time they never born Oramian, were born Benin people. They occupied that land before Benin people came from Ile-Ife and destroyed the Idu kingdom. The Ogiso dynasty is very old and ancient. They predate the existence of Oduduwa that gave birth to Oromiyan, that gave birth to Benin. The Ogiso dynasty is still in existence till date, and they are known as the Ogiamen family of Utantan in Edo State. They are still in existence. Do you know that the Oba of Benin is calling them a chief and not a king in their own right? They have been occupying their throne before the Oba of Benin came. Now he is calling them chiefs. And this senseless Benin person said that the Oba of Benin owned the entire land in Edo State. If I tell you say these people are mumu, they are mumu not good. If you carry mumu where this set of Benin people body, transfer their blood, give pig, that pig will die.
Oh my!
All these mumu Benin people carry their blood, put for pig body, the pig will die.
Hey!
Ozwain ke wade homma, or kokona honden zuzu. See what human being the right. Igbanke is older than Benin. Esan is older than Benin. Igodomigodo is older than Benin. The ancient Igbos of Idu Kingdom is older than Benin. So many of those tribes in Edo states are there before Benin people came. Now, if these Benin people have sense, they call themselves an empire. What is an empire? An empire is gotten through invasion. You are an empire is proof that Esan people are separate people. Igodomigodo separate people. Igbo people separate people. But you can't claim me that you are an empire. And that is proof that these people are separate people from you people. Yet you are claiming that you own the land. Mumu people. Idu land be like Ile-Ife for una eye. Ile-Ife is your ancestral home. The ancestral home of Benin people is Ile-Ife. Not that their present location. Just look at how these documents have disgraced you Benin people. All the Benin bloggers when they talk, they support the Oba against Igbanke people. All of them are mumu people. None of them get sense. All of them get mad. They talk say there's no document. Look at the documents now. He never proved to us say we not get sense. People in their 30s, people in their 40s, they don't get sense. It's very shameful. If your coming generation see all this video now, they will talk say, these our elders, they don't really get sense. Say that they disgrace themselves. You people have demand to come online saying that the kings in Igbanke are known as enogie since their history. People that are known as Obi since their history. They are called Obiago. They are the offer holders in their community. They are separate people from Benin. They don't speak Benin language. There was never a time where Igbanke people ever spoke Benin language in their land. Their language have always been Ika Igbo. But instead, you Benin people are forcing yourselves on people. Are you people termites? You people are the major problem in Edo State. That state is not the function because of una. Instead of to focus on how to build Edo State, you are busy claiming Anambra State. You are busy claiming Delta State. You are claiming Osun State. You are claiming Ogun State. You are claiming Lagos. And you people are landlocked. Landlocked people. You people are not even up to a state. Landlocked people. And when I get mad, they talk say Igbo land is landlocked. See Opopo, see ocean. Una near water. Don't in a circle people. Resources una not get. The crude oil in Edo State is located in the land of Igbanke people. In the land of the Ijaw people. That's why your Oba is busy claiming to own the land of Ijaw people and the Igbanke people. Just to take crude oil. You people don't have shame. See document as a disgrace now. Shame on you. Woo! Shameless people. Shameless people. Fulani of the South. When I not get shame. We are tackling you people with facts and evidence. Proving to the world that You people are chronic liars. Una lie not good. Now why be say una blood, if they transfer una blood, give pig, the pig go die. Hey! Una blood not good. You people lie. You defend everything your Oba tell you. You don't reason. Una they go school, but you know they show say una they go school. You don't reason like a human being. These documents have proven that Igbanke people have defeated you people. Igbanke people are Igbos. They are not Benin people. Igbanke kings are known as Obi and not enogie. So you Benin people that are crying that you will remove those signboard in Igbanke that they wrote as Obi and no longer enogie. Go and remove it, let's see. Go and remove it, let's see. Since you people have been backing online, you have not done anything to Igbanke people because una too they fear. That thing you know, we know it better than you. So your backing ends online. Igbanke people are Igbo people and there's nothing you can do about it. Look at the document again. As they pain on they sweet us, yeah people. Congratulations to us. We have defeated these animals in human form. Ishiegwale.